Welcome back, shop rats. Today I'm going to tell you about how I got ripped off. Let's watch the show intro. I'll see you in 30 seconds. I'm Mike. This isn't, but this show is My Car's Shop.
Working out of a 100-year-old refurbished barn, bringing 35 years of experience to projects considered beyond repair. Vision, creativity, and problem-solving are essential tools in this place. Watch as we transform junk into polished metal miracles. This is My Car's Shop.
First time it's ever happened to me, so I really shouldn't be too disappointed considering 40 years of buying parts for cars. But it happened, and let me tell you the story. I was looking because Challenger 505, viewer on the channel, had donated a dash cluster for the Stitches Challenger. I was looking for the bezels, and I found what was a perfect bezel, in my opinion, out of a junk car full of dirt, dust, but not broken. Scratched up a little bit, but $40. I thought, it's a pretty good price. I think it's going to clean up really nice, and I know what I can do with it. So I contacted the fellow, and I said, do you still have it? Yes, I do. He lives 2.5 hours away, and I thought, by the time I pay for the gas to run over there, and basically a half a day of my life, just have him ship it if he's willing. Would you be willing to ship it? Yeah, certainly I'd be willing to ship it. $20. So $60. I've got a dash bezel coming. Now, I'm not naive enough to not do a little background check. I looked at the Facebook reviews of him as a seller, 4.5 reviews. Nothing looked really out of line. It looked good, and local to me, a couple hours away. And I looked, and he has friends that are friends with friends of mine. So, hey, we got connection. This guy's real. Obviously seems like a kind of a stand-up guy. So I PayPal him the money. I'll ship it. This was on a Friday or a Saturday. I'll ship it Monday. So I'm all excited. I can't wait. Monday comes and goes. Didn't hear anything. I thought, well, he probably just threw it in the mail and, just didn't bother to message me. Cool. A week goes by. I'm anticipating this part arriving. Friday comes. Nothing. So I message him Friday night, Saturday night. I don't know. Oh, man, I'm so sorry. I completely forgot about it. I'll ship it out first thing Monday. Do you mind if I just send you a quick reminder Sunday or Monday? Sunday night to... oh, no, that'd be great. Please do that because I'm afraid I'll forget. Cool. I'm pretty easygoing. I'm not being a jerk about this. I get it. Stuff happens. I tend to forget things too. So I reminded him. Didn't hear anything back. Okay. So about Wednesday, I still haven't heard anything. Okay. Message him. Dude, I'm starting to feel like maybe I got ripped off here. What's going on? It was Tuesday I messaged him. Short story long story short. Oh man, I am so sorry. I'm out of town. I won't be back till Friday. I will ship it Friday when I get back. Okay, fair enough. Stuff happens. I get it. So now 2 weeks has gone by. Didn't hear anything from him. I got life. I'm still not the only thing I'm thinking about. Monday rolls around. Hey, dude, did you ship that part? I'm really starting to feel like I got screwed here. Crickets. Well, maybe something happened in his life. Let me look at his wall. So maybe he was in an accident. Maybe he's sick. Maybe somebody in the family died. Who knows? I mean, everybody has life. I get it. He's posting on his wall every day. And I know he's read my messages. So, a little bit of a slow burn starting here. I'm starting to get a little bit PO'd on this thing. And it's not, first of all, it's been a terribly tight financial time for me right now. So the $60 was something I could ill afford. But more than the money, I was like a kid at Christmas. I'm always excited to get new parts for Stitches. I'm excited to get new parts for anything. It's like Christmas presents, and I love opening those packages on the channel and sharing them with you, showing you the next deal that I got or what I think is a deal. Oh well. So, slow burn going on, and hurry. I give him a couple days, watching his wall, nothing. So this past Friday night, I reached my limit. I'm like, oh, no, I take that back. On the Wednesday of that week, or Wednesday of that week, it was Wednesday, because I messaged him earlier in the week. So, yeah, Tuesday, I messaged him on Wednesday, whatever, and said, look, I don't know what else to do, dude. I'm at the end of my rope here. I'm going to have to leave you a terrible review on Facebook. And, which, what does that mean? Does it really threaten anybody? Probably not, but, so, no response to that either. Friday night, I got the burn going on now, and I'm like, dude, all right, I'm done. I'm just done. I've given you 3 weeks on this part. I've had nothing but empty promises. I'm just done. So here's the deal. Merry Christmas. You know what? If $60 is that important to you, then have it as a gift. I'm just done. I need to be done with this, because I'm just doing nothing but upsetting myself about this, and it's not worth it. So if the money means that much to you, you have my money. I don't have the part. Merry Christmas. I'm done. I'm going to leave you the terrible review, and done. So I wrote that. I left it so I could see whether or not he read it. I was curious to see if I would get a response. Crickets. So I left the review and archived the messages, and I'm done with it. Now, here's the thing, and it's never happened to me before. It's a non-rally dash bezel. It's not something that's worth a lot of money. $60, is it the end of the world? It hurts right now, definitely. Things are tight, but it's not the end of the world. World peace didn't come to an end. Russia didn't attack the Ukraine because I didn't get my bezel. I mean, it is what it is. But my mistake, and this is where I have to take ownership, because it's not what he did, it's what I allowed. Being the guy that I am, especially on a low dollar part, I don't want him to cost him anything. And we had mutual friends, and he was fairly local. I sent the money friends and family, which I do quite often. And that was the mistake. So I have to own that. In the end of the day, if I had not sent it, if I had sent it business instead of friends and family, I could have filed a claim with PayPal and got my money back. So I've established a new policy for myself. Unless I personally know you, I'm not doing that anymore. I'm going to send money via business, and I will throw in an extra couple bucks to cover the fees, because I get it. I'm a business person. People have to make a profit. And if I had just done that one thing, I would have had recourse. I wouldn't have had my part, but at least I would have had recourse to get my money back. So, word to the wise, y'all are probably a lot smarter than me. Like I said, I'm just too naive and trusting. I just never dreamed that I would get ripped off. It's never happened. In 40 years of dealing with stuff online, Craigslist, eBay, all kinds of other places, and including Facebook Marketplace, I bought several Challenger parts through Facebook Marketplace. The taillights came from there. The bumper came from. Everybody's been just so stand up, and so word to the wise: learn from my mistakes, and don't allow yourself to be in a position where you're getting ripped off. All right, I'm driving through a slushy, slippery road here on my way to the office for the day, and I just thought I would share that with you for this Tech Talk Tuesday or whatever it is. Hope you have a great week, and don't forget to subscribe. We're on the Face thing, /MyCarShop. Instant Grandma likes us a lot, /MyCarShop. Subscribe, hit the bell so you receive those notifications. And one more thing, rock!